Alright, what is up, guys? It is a beautiful day. There's planes flying overhead. It's right there. And just taking one last look at the Jeep before we tear into it. I'm going to get it on the lift today and finally start doing the lift kit on this thing. Been a few more months than I had wanted it to be before I got this thing lifted, but just been super busy here in the shop and taking care of customers' projects and all that good stuff. So let's tear into this. Yeah. Alright guys, I didn't video us pulling this axle off. It's pretty straightforward. Just unbolt everything. But we got the axle out. Everything a little muddy. So now I'm going to work on this axle, do the axle truss, get it all cleaned up, and go from there. Alright, so here we are doing the truss kit from Clayton on a Dana 44A. We're just going to go ahead and bolt this down with the bolts that they supplied. This is the old one. It's actually a pretty nice looking bolt. And it is kind of raised up a little bit. So you can see it's raised up about 1/8 of an inch, so it's a little bit overbent. And we thought about putting it in the press, but I think it's just going to suck it down in there, so we're going to I suppose it's better to have a little bit over.
A little bit over than under, yeah.
Than under, and then it's not, you know.
Yeah.
So in an attempt to not warp this rear end or anything, I'm going to just tack it in and then weld a few spots here and there, let it cool, and then I'll do some more and let it cool. So it'll probably take about an hour to get this welded, I'd imagine. Okay, so I got the first round of welding done, and I'm still gonna go back and stitch along in here, finish up there, up around there, and then on the other side as well. So while it's cooling down a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and weld the 4-link brackets on, and then I'll go back and finish up the truss. I thought I would point this out. We were just sitting here, me and the guys, praising this, that they put this laser mark on here, and so when you go to put these brackets on, you know exactly where to hold it, where to put it. So I just threw a bolt through, clamped it down. I'll tack it in, and the frame stuff that went on the chassis or on the unibody of the WJ was the same way. Everything was laser marked, so it made it really easy to do. We're about to call it a day here, but that looks pretty sweet. Orange actually doesn't look too bad. Got a lot of adjusting to do. What's up guys, James here from YouTube channel Spiral Design Works. Welcome back to the shop. Really glad you're here. I just wanted to shout out to everybody that's been watching my videos over the last 3 or 4 months. I hit that big 1,000 subscriber mark a couple weeks ago. Really excited about that. So I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Keep coming back for more. We're really trying hard to keep quality videos coming at you guys and all the different things we do here at the shop, which is a lot. We don't even cover probably a quarter of the things that we do here on my YouTube videos, but I'm going to try to keep them coming, keep them fresh. And if you guys have any ideas for anything you want to see, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know. All right, peace out. Thank you.